Just a moment ago at the top of our layout file, we added in an import for up1 directory / components / header. Now this is using a relative file import. It's relative because we are saying start off at the location of the layout file, go up one directory indicated by the .. then find the components folder and then the header file inside there. Now, as we start to use this app directory to set up our routes more and more, we're eventually going to have deeply nested folders. So we might have app, performance, and then inside there, it's just a quick example. You don't have to create this folder. We might have another folder inside there called stats, and then another one inside there called data, and then finally a page file inside there. Now let's imagine that we were inside of this deeply nested page file and we wanted to import something out of that components directory. To do so, we would have to do something like import something from up one directory, up another, I think one more, and then components. And this number of .. slashes right here is just comical. There's a lot of them, and it's really hard to keep track of what level of import we are at. So to solve this problem, I'm going to delete those changes really quick. So delete, there we go. To solve that problem of deeply nested imports, Next gives us a little bit of a help, or a little bit of a shortcut here for doing imports. Whenever we import a file that we have created, at the very start of the path, we can put in an @ symbol. This @ symbol right here is kind of a shortcut to go back to our src directory. So if I put in @, that means from the src directory, I'm going to start to import something. In this case, this can be read as src, and then go into the components directory, and then find the header file inside there. This is a super useful little shortcut whenever we are defining super nested routes inside of our app directory. And again, just because we can escape or not have to worry about all those .. / layers of directory changes. All right, so now if we save this, as usual, once again back inside the browser, looks like everything still works just fine.